In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Asana password. This process is straightforward and we'll walk through it step by step to ensure you don't miss a thing. Let's get started. First, head over to Asana. You'll want to navigate to their official website and go to the login page. This is your starting point, so open your preferred browser and type in the URL, or simply search for Asana login. Once you're there, you'll see a place to enter your email address. Type it in carefully to ensure you input the correct email linked to your Asana account. After you've entered your email, click on the Continue button. This step is crucial as it takes you to the next part of the login process. Make sure not to rush and double check your information to avoid any hiccups. Next, you'll be asked to enter your password. This is your current password that you've been using, so enter it accurately in the space provided. Once you've done that, click Login or Set, and you should find yourself on your Asana homepage, assuming you've entered everything correctly. Now that you're logged in, it's time to access your profile settings. Look for your profile icon, typically located in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on it, and this will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. When you are in the settings page, locate the account tab and give it a click. Within the account tab, you will notice the password section. This is where you can update your credentials. You should see an option labeled change password. Click on this option and it will prompt you to enter your current password again as a security measure. Now you will need to enter your new password. Think carefully about this choice. A strong password generally includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. This makes it harder for others to guess. Once you've entered your new password, enter it once more in the next field to confirm it. It's vital to match both entries as this ensures accuracy and helps prevent future login issues. Finally, with your new password confirmed, click on the Save button. This action updates your password in the system. You should now see a confirmation that your password has been successfully changed. And there you have it. You've just updated your Asana password. Remember, regularly changing your password is a good habit for maintaining the security of your online accounts. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, take care and stay secure.